Hi guys, this is Kingsman from TechNerds. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Word Swapper, a Python script, to replace any specific word in all the files within a directory. For example, I've taken a directory here. Okay, right? As you can see, there are 10,000 files here, and the name that's mentioned is Kingsman hash whatever, and we're gonna change. See, everyone has this Kingsman thing here, Kingsman 15, Kingsman 22. So we're gonna change all that Kingsman right now. So how do we gonna do it? You have to go to the link in the description, which is this GitHub page. Just download this. Press here and just download the zip file and unzip it. Once you're done, you'll see all these two files. What you have to do is you right click this, open it with notes, notepad, and you have to replace this path, okay, with whatever directory files you want to replace the word with. All right, so I want to replace Kingsman in this, all the Kingsman written in on these notes in this directory. So I will just copy this directory and I'll paste it here. All right, as you can see, it's the same thing. And once you have done that, only the thing pending is this thing. You want to focus on this thing. We In this case we want to replace this Kingsman hash. All right, we'll come here, we'll replace this Kingsman hash, and we'll replace it with you know base rocks. It can be anything. It can be 2 words, 3 words, or a sentence. It can be anything. Once you're done, just come here and press save. Once done, go back. All right, go back to this folder and open command prompt. Just type in cmd and it will come up. Press cd, enter cd, and copy this path again and paste it here and press enter. You will be in this directory, and now just type python replace .py and press enter. So now what this code is doing is basically going to the directory that we specified and searching for all the words that is Kingsman space hash and replacing it with base rocks space hash. So as you can see, everything has been changed. All the files, you can open anything, it'll be all the same. Base rocks it has been replaced by the Kingspan has been replaced by base rocks. Base rocks, base rocks. So thank you guys for watching. Do leave a comment if you have any problems with the code, and I'll try to assist you. Please subscribe, it'll help a lot. Thank you guys for watching.